13th question. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of the depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So, let's make a diagram. Let's say this is the lighthouse AB, which is 75 meters high, and from the top, that is from A point, that top of the lighthouse, the angle of depression to one ship is 45 degrees. This is the angle of depression. Angle of depression means below the line of sight, because we are looking from above to the below. So this is the angle of depression, that is 45 degrees, and the angle of depression to another ship which is exactly behind that, the first ship, that is 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. Now I have written this also as 30 degrees and this as 45 degrees, because line of sight AE is parallel to the ground, that is BD. That is why these are alternate interior angles. So this angle will also be 45 degrees and this angle will also be 30 degrees. So now we have to find the distance between the two ships. That is, one ship is here, another ship is here. We have to find distance between them. So let the distance between them is x. Now we have to find this x. So what we will do, we'll use the trigonometric ratio once in triangle ABC, then in triangle ABD. So in triangle ABC, first we will find BC. In triangle ABC, perpendicular we have opposite 75 and base or adjacent we have to find. So it means tan. So tan 45 degrees is equal to, perpendicular is 75. We also call it as opposite. Opposite by adjacent or base, that is BC. Tan 45 is 1. So BC is equal to 75 meters. So this we have got as 75 meters. Now let's use triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, again we will use tan. So tan 30 is equal to 75 upon base or adjacent, that is 75 plus x. Now tan 30 is 1 by square root 3. So 1 by square root 3 is equal to 75 by 75 plus x. Cross multiply, we get 75 plus x is equal to 75 square root 3. Take 75 to that side. So x is equal to 75 square root 3 minus 75, or we can take 75 as common. So 75 square root 3 minus 1 meters is the distance between the two ships.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.